Hey kids, today's project is a transmission filter change. Developed a leak in the transmission pan, and when I went just now to put in a new filter and gasket, I gotta tell you, something's fishy. I don't know if you all remember, but I had an issue at Les Schwab with a tire almost falling off a few months ago, and you know, right after they did all that work that they had to eat the cost on repairing the damage, developed a transmission leak. Well, I'll tell you what, every single bolt on my transmission pan was finger tight. Not no 18 foot-pounds. So anyway, I called around to see what it cost to have it done, like at Midas and whatnot, between $200 and $275. Cost me $35 for this set of stuff. That's 18 foot-pounds. Crisscross applesauce. That's what I'm talking about. And there you have it. That's how you do a transmission filter change. Make sure you do your torque. 18 foot-pounds. That's on a 96 Chevy Silverado. And these are the tools it took. Don't forget your gasket maker. Make sure it's the automatic transmission red. I like to put that on the pan side because it's a little bit more flexible than the actual transmission, and it holds the gasket onto the pan while you're putting it up real nice. Make sure you go around each one of the bolt holes and just make it continuous. Just a little bit goes a long way. Didn't have to use a lot. These are all the tools it took right here. That's it. And most of the job was just this, and the extension. And when I started here thinking I'd have to bust them loose, but they were all freaking finger tight. Now it's time to fill up the oil. And that'll be it. Have a great day, y'all. Love you.